Many of us use slides to help land our material, to really help our audience understand what we're saying. But not all of us create great slides. I have 4 tips that you can use to help make your slides more impactful. First, start with your story, your framework, your structure. Message comes first. And then ask yourself, where would slides help my audience? When you're crafting your slides, your mantra should be less is more. What is the least amount of information I can put on the slide to add impact? And then finally, are there images that I can use instead of wording? Many of us put way too many words and bullet points on a slide, causing our audience to read and be distracted from what we're saying. Instead, can you use a picture, a chart, a flow diagram? This will help the audience stay focused. So, the 4 rules are: have your message down first. Ask yourself, will slides help my audience? Because slides are for them, not for you. What is the least amount of information I can put on a slide? And finally, 4th, image over verbiage when possible. If you do these 4 things, you will have slides that will add to the influence and impact of your messages.